Hello students, today we will learn how to make beginning level programs in nodejs by using JavaScript language. So let us start it with first program will be my hello world program, second one will be sum of two numbers, third will be check a given year, check whether a given year is a leap year, display a message using a function, then sum of two numbers by using a function, program to get user input in nodejs by using prompt sync module, and then program to get user input in nodejs by readline module. So these are two modules by which we will be getting input from the user. So let us start it. Please move to VS Code. So I'll make my first hello world program. So here I'll my hello world program, hello world program. So I'll write here. So I'll take a variable, and this is message variable, and in this one I will write hello world program, hello world, and I'll just use the console method of JavaScript, console.log, and I'll print it, and then over. So my program will get over with this, and here go in the node, then use your node application node and run it. So it has displayed hello world. So this is your first program. Now second one is sum of two numbers. So let us go again to VS Code, and here we will define two variables. So here sum of two numbers, and here I'll write where a equal to say 10, and I'll take another variable where b equal to say 20, and now I will print the sum of them. So I'll write a plus b, and I'll just save it and run it. I can write here sum is, and you can put it as like this. And so just go here and run it. You are getting sum is 30. So this is our second program. Now let us move to third one. Check whether a given year is a leap year. So you will have to get a year. So check whether a given year is a leap year. So for this one, what you will do, take a variable, say m year, and give m year equal to 2052, and here apply your if else statement. If m year is divisible by 4, you can check out for 100 by 100 also please, and 100 as well. So I'll go with this only, and here I will print console.log is a leap year. And in the second one, else is not a leap year. Not a leap year. And just save it and run it. Go here again. Here is a leap year. So I'll check out with other please. Let us take it 2053, 2073. So let us check out it again. Test it, and it is not a leap year. Then after this we'll be moving to next one, display a message using a function. So this time we need to make a function here. So display function, how this we will make in display function. So what you will do here, you will you'll create a function. So I'll write use function name is display, and I'll pass a parameter to this, say message, and here I would like to print this message, and that is message, and this message has to be called from the main one. So I'll write here display, and here I'll type this is life life better life for for making our life better, we need to do hard work. We need to do hard work. And here when you will save it and see what is the output going to come, run it and go here, node, and then test.js. For making our life better, we need to do hard work. So we have done, this was our fourth one. Now fifth one is sum of two numbers using a function. So again we will go there and sum by using function. So sum by using function. So again you need to define a function I'll write as sum, and here you need to take two variables, say xy, and you need to return. I'll not print this time please, I'll just return it, return and x plus y, and x plus y, call it here console.log sum is, and here you need to print the sum. I'll find out sum of 10 comma 20, so 10 comma 30, so it will be giving me output as 30. So just save it and run it. So you need to put again node test.js, and oh, I think I have written something wrong. What is that? Sum is okay and console.sum is, oh, I forgot this bracket. Save it and run it. Go here and you are getting sum is 40. So then after this, next we can move to, this is sum of two numbers using a function we have done, and now here we need to use nodejs modules to get the user input. So let us go here, and you need to install as well, please keep in mind. So here let us do it. So here getting user input, get user input by prompt sync. To get user input from prompt sync, first step will be install. You need to write npm install, and then after this you need to put prompt sync, and then after that, once it is done, then you can you need to install it first. So go to your prompt, and there you need to just run this command npm install prompt. You need to create one directory as well in the C drive, and it is installed. So now once it has been installed, you can go back, and now here go to your VS Code. In the VS Code you are supposed to import it. So what you will write, where, and in the where you take a variable. So I'll take in this case prompt. So in the prompt I will be calling this function, this I will be importing. So I need to require, and then here you can import it, import prompt, then sync prompt, then sync, and then prompt sync, and then once I have got it, and then I need to get this data in a variable. So I'll write where I'll get this data in get data by using this in a variable, say where age, and then after that I'll write here prompt enter your age. So here user is supposed to enter his age, and once he'll enter, then I'll just print it console dot log. This is again JavaScript function is here, so I'll write here your age is, and then I'll print it as plus, and then after that I'll be printing age. Then just remove this and just save it and go down to your node terminal and write down your node application node, and then here you can again test it. So it is asking you age, so type your age, say something. I have typed 18 and it has displayed that your age is 18. Now you can get two numbers and you can find out some of those numbers as well here if you want. So what you can do in that case, take first number, take first number, take first number, and then the other one is second number. Then after this we are supposed to put here console, just you need to run and you got it. Now after this next one, it is done. Then now we can move to the next one. Next one is by using read line method. So what you will do in that case, in the read line method, again go to VS Code, again you will have to install this read line. So now get user input by using read line. npm install, you will have to do read line in the same way as I did. So go there in the prompt and then in the command prompt here, go here first and install it. So right here npm install read line, it is installed. Now go back in the VS Code and then here here again take a variable and that variable is read line. And read line, what you will do, you will import it, require a read line. Actually these all are modules, so you have to import them. So after this, once you have done this, then with the help of, you will create a variable, one more variable, say I'll write here input, and input read line, and this time you will have to use create interface, and then here you will have to use the process method, process library of this process dot std in. From user input you will be getting it, and process, you will be creating interface for both these, please, for input and output. And once you have created interface, then now after this you can get input with the help of input variable input dot set prompt. Here you can use set prompt. Set prompt what for? Enter a number, enter your age. I'll put here enter your age, and here again I'll get age. So this again I'll be using prompt for this prompt, and by getting input you need to print it. So you need to you will have to use here input, because this will be coming in a line, please. So you will have to use on method. In the on method, read line gives you output in the line. So this data you want to put it in a age variable, and then you can pass on this to a function, and this with the help of that function you can, with the help of this function you can display it. Display console dot log your age is, your entered, your age is and printed here is. So like this is done. So, and you'll have to close this input as well, please. Input dot close, like this, and then save it and run it. Go here you need to do again, call your node, and then test node.js. Oh, I think this age has to be passed like this method, and now this is okay. Then save it and run it. I think I have done it. So if I enter 19, then oh, your age is 19. So I set anyway. See, so far I have here, and otherwise this program will be fine to go ahead. So here age could be displayed, and here whatsoever was in the line that has been passed by the on method, and this is the end of this program. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.